I got this VOCASTER Two. I've been working on improving my audio for a while now, so I decided to save up and buy one of these amplifiers here and see if I can improve my audio quality a little bit here. The nice thing about this VOCASTER Two is that you can hook up two microphones, or you can hook up one microphone and then you can also connect to a phone to do like a phone interview. For right now, I'm just going to learn how to use it for one person, just for myself while I make my audio. And then once I get that down, then I'm going to try doing the interview process where I connect a phone to it. And then that way I can get two voices coming in, my voice and then the person that I'm interviewing over the phone. I've been apprehensive about getting one of these things though, because it looks pretty complicated and I'm not really an audio expert or anything. So I'm just going to take it slow. In today's video, I'm just going to open it up and unbox it and take a look at it. And then as I learn more about it, I'll make some more videos. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and check it out. You can see the box there. It's got the nice image on it. It's got a nice styrofoam packing right here to hold everything in place. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It looks pretty good size here. It's all taped up here. Has a little desiccant pack in there to keep everything fresh. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice pattern to it. It's got like a nice texture on it. Then you can see the controls on there. It's got the host audio there and the guest audio. That looks like that's for the headphones there. So yeah, that says headset right there, and then this must be the controls there to increase the gain. And that's what I want to do on my microphone. I want to be able to increase the gain so that it's a little bit louder. When I record my videos like this, the volume's not very loud when I go back and replay the video, so I have to go into the editing software and increase the audio there. So I'm looking for something that I can do all that with. And then here's all the connections on the back here. It's got the two XLR ports. The microphone that I bought, I'm using the USB-C connection on it right now, but it also has an XLR port that I can connect to. That's also supposed to be a little bit louder, so it may be louder just by connecting it to the XLR there. There's a Bluetooth button there, a phone button there. I'm not sure what the lock button is, but there is a lock port there. I think that might be so that you can put a lock inside here, because I've seen some locks you can hook up to secure things. So if you were using this in a public place, like in a studio or something that a lot of people are in, and you wanted to lock it up so that nobody takes it, I think you can put a lock inside that little lock port there. There's a USB-C connector right there. I think that's for the power, but I'll have to double check that there. And then there's a camera connector. I'm looking forward to trying that. That may be what I end up doing. Right now I'm recording on my phone, but I may end up just recording with the camera, and that may be a better way to get the microphone and the camera to all work together to sync my audio. And then it's got a headphone jack there. It says right and left, and so that's probably your host and your guest ports there. All right, there's the VOCASTER Two. I got it all unboxed here. Like I said, I'm a little intimidated here because it's got a lot of different ports on the back and a lot of different connections that I'm not familiar with. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and see if I can figure it all out. Let's see if there's anything else in the box here. Looks like it comes with a USB-C to USB cord there. Then it comes with some paperwork in here. It's probably an instruction manual. And I think that's it. I think that's everything. So it comes with the USB cord, the instruction manual, and then the VOCASTER Two right here. I got the USB-C plugged into the back. I'll turn the power button on. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know how any of this works, but it's all lit up here. We got a light for the host. We got a light for the guest. It says 48V, there's a Bluetooth, and then there's a red light for what looks like a computer. We got a mute button, a magic wand button, a host button, a guest button, and another magic wand button, and another mute button there. So I guess that mutes the guest, and that mutes the host. Don't know what the magic wand does there, but there's host and there's guest. So yeah, that's pretty nice the way it lights up like that. This thing looks pretty cool. All right, I'll go ahead and look through the instruction manual, and then I'll get it all set up, and then I'll make an update video on how it all works. So yeah, that's pretty nice the way it lights up like that. This thing looks pretty cool.